The Dollars to Cents workshops can teach you ways to save energy in your buildings. It doesn't have to be complicated. Let me show you. Let's take a look at this system. It could be a chilled water system providing air conditioning in a commercial building, or providing cooling to production equipment in an industrial facility. It's probably oversized. The pump is circulating 5 gallons of water per minute through the system. The initial reaction most people have is to reduce the flow rate by throttling the valve. We want to achieve a certain flow rate in this part of the system, which is actually the flow meter. But in a real application, it can be a heat exchanger. Right now, at full speed with the valve open, the system is consuming 73 watts to generate 5 gallons per minute of flow. Let's compare two methods to achieve the lower flow rate. First, let's do what we usually do. Throttle the system down and set the flow to 3 gallons per minute. The power used to run the system should drop. Let's check the power meter. It's at 68 watts. So we went from 73 to 68 watts. That's a saving of 5 watts. That's pretty good, but can we do better? We now have 3 gallons per minute, which is what we need, but there's another way to achieve this flow, and that's to slow the pump. But first, let's open the valve. The system is back to 73 watts. This pump has 3 speeds, so I'm going to go from full speed to half speed. We're now at 4 gallons per minute, still more than we need. Now we're at the lowest speed, and the pump is circulating 3 gallons per minute. That's our desired flow rate. We haven't throttled the valve, so we have not caused any pressure drop in the system. We're now running at 44 watts, so we've gone from 73 watts to 44 watts, a savings of 29 watts versus the 5 watts we saved using the throttling valve. By slowing the system down, we can usually achieve savings 5 to 6 times higher than using the throttling valve. And that means savings to your organization. That's just a small part of what you can learn at the Dollars to Cents workshops. Check out the workshops on this website for more information.